Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to day 2 of the 10-day wire charm bracelet making challenge. Be sure to join the Facebook event page linked up below. You can share photos of your charm bracelet and charms to be eligible to win great prizes, including wire and tools from Beadalon, items from my Etsy shop, and templates and patterns for wire art and jewelry. You only need to make one charm per day, and at the end of the 10 days, you'll have a couple of extra days to finish up the whole bracelet. Today we're making little figure birthstone charms to go on our bracelet. You are going to need 20 gauge wire. I'm using 6mm glass beads and my tools. You can take about 6 or 8 inches of the 20 gauge wire and fold it in half with your flat nose or tweezer nose pliers. The Xuron tweezer nose pliers work well with this project to get the fine detail. So then we're just going to bend up one wire and give it a little pinch so it's nice and sharp, and then bend the other wire up, straight up. So just adjust it a little bit as you need. And then we're going to get the other side to do the other leg and bend it on a sharp angle. Push it with your finger to make it nice and tight and pinch it down. And then bend the wire straight up and out to make the skirt. So over to the side. So we have the wires sticking out to the side above the legs. And get your tweezer nose pliers and bend it at an angle to form the skirt. And then we'll do the other side, bend it to form the little skirt there, adjust it as you need, and then we're going to bend the wires down to form the arms. So we'll just take the wire, bend it down, so we have the 2 arms like that, and then we're going to take the end of the arm and bend it straight up. These are very simplified figures, and then go over to the other side and bend it to the back again. Give it a pinch. So now we have to wiggle it around and bend it straight up to form the neck, and then bend the other side over so we can wrap it around. So hold it firmly and twist that wire around to finish it off. And then we will get our flush cutters and clip off that end. So now we can add the bead. I like these 6mm faceted glass beads. You could get colors for the birthstones and bend it across at an angle to form the loop at the top. So with our round pliers, just bring it around, form the loop, adjust it to center it, and get your flat pliers and turn the end around and give it a good flush cut. Pinch it in with your flat pliers, and there you have the little girl. So now for the one without the skirt, we're going to bend it down at a little angle there for the legs and get the tweezer nose pliers, push the wire straight up, give it a pinch, and then straight up for the middle wire. Okay, and the other foot, same thing, bend it to the back, pinch it, and bend the wire straight up so they're one behind the other. Bend the wire down for one arm, flip it, and bend it down for the other arm. And tweezer nose pliers again, bend the wires to the back and wiggle it to form the shoulder and straight up. And the other side, we'll bend it also, give it a pinch, and bend the little wire across so we can wind it around the middle wire. Get your flush cutters, clip it flush, give it a pinch, get rid of that pokey end, Now we're going to add a 6mm glass faceted bead. Bend the end just out at an angle. Get your round pliers to form the loop at the top. Center it. And then we'll get our tweezer nose pliers to hold the loop and twist the end around. Now we're going to cut it flush with our flush cutters and use our pliers again just to pinch in that pokey end. And there's our second little figure. And to attach it to the charm bracelet, we're going to use 18 gauge wire to make our own jump rings. I'll link up some more tutorials for jump rings below. Just cut the ends flush on either side so they will fit together. And then we'll open up the jump ring, attach it to the bracelet, and add our charm. And then close up the jump ring. So there we have the first little figure, and then find the position for the second one, hook it on, and close that link. And there you have your cute little birthstone figures for your charm bracelet. So thanks so much for watching the video. Thank you to everybody who is participating in the challenge. If you are watching this after the challenge is over, you can still join the Facebook event page, and you can join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and jewelry. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.